Would you buy this bundle if it actually came to the item shop? And if so, how many V-Bucks would you pay for it?